In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your speaker notes in PowerPoint slides. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. This will bring up your slides in the main workspace, ready for editing or presenting. Once that's complete, select a slide and locate the Notes section near the bottom of the screen. This area is specifically designed for adding or viewing speaker notes that accompany your slides. If speaker notes are available, they will be displayed in this area. You'll see the text that you've previously entered, providing a helpful guide for your presentation. Next, you'll want to click inside the Notes section to review or edit your notes. This allows you to make any necessary changes or additions to ensure your presentation goes smoothly. From here, navigate between slides to view notes associated with each slide. Simply click on the slide thumbnails on the left to switch slides, and the corresponding notes will appear in the Notes section. And that's how to view your speaker notes in PowerPoint slides. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your notes, ensuring a well-prepared presentation.